What's the day today?
Understand.
Now let's start the lesson. First, you should watch a video.
I built my house of stone. I built my house of bricks. I had no chance to sing and dance, 'cause work and play don't mix. He don't take no time to play, time to play, time to play. All he does is work all day. Open to your door. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, big bad wolf.
Well, they're too smart for me. Guess I'll go home.
He's gone. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf?
See, I told you what would happen when that big wolf came around. Only bricks and stones are wolf-proof. Now, let's...
Okay. Now, talking about the cartoon. Now, who are they? What? Three? Now, what are they doing? What are they doing?
They are building a house.
Mm-hmm. House. Okay. Porky's house made of
Greece.
uh,
Greece.
straw. Straw.
Straw.
The next pig's house made of wood. The next pig's house made of brick. Yeah. What do you think? We are going to. What are you going to do today? What do you think?
What was it made of?
Made of?
Yes, made.
Houses.
Yes. What else? What else? Hmm? Brick, wood, straw. What? Mattress. Okay. We are going to learn the mattress and made of. Okay? Okay.
A
Now
paper
listen
bag.
and repeat.
B. A cotton blanket. C. A bronze cup.
Repeat.
D.
Repeat.
A wooden bench.
A
Wooden bench.
E. An iron mask.
Iron mask.
F. A stone wall.
A stone wall.
G. A brick house.
Brick house.
H. A woolen jumper.
A woolen jumper.
I. A leather wallet.
A leather wallet.
J. A cement road.
Cement road.
K. Rubber boots.
Rubber boots.
L. A glass door.
A glass door. Repeat again.
A paper bag.
A paper bag.
B. A cotton blanket.
A cotton blanket.
C. A bronze cup.
A bronze cup.
D. A wooden bench.
A wooden bench.
E. An iron mask.
An iron mask.
F. A stone wall.
A stone wall.
G. A brick house.
A brick house.
H. A woolen jumper.
A woolen jumper.
I. A leather wallet.
A leather wallet.
J. A cement road.
A cement road.
K. Rubber boots.
Rubber boots.
L. A glass door.
A glass door. Okay. Say again, please. Rubber boots.
Leather
wallet. Leather wallet.
glass door.
Glass door.
Iron
mask. Iron mask.
Paper bag.
Paper bag.
Wooden bench.
Wooden bench.
Bronze cup.
Bronze cup.
Wooden
Cotton
blanket.
black. Cotton black. Cotton black. Cotton black. Okay. Now stand up, please. Stand up, please. Stand at two line. Stand at two line. Stand two line. Okay. And now find your mattress. You are find your mattress. Ask your what mattress are you? What mattress are you? Ask. You are asked and find your mattress. Okay? You understand? Okay. Go and ask. Go ask. What mattress? What mattress are you? What mattress are you?
What material are you?
Glass. Glass.
Yes, glass.
Glass door. That's stand.
Cotton blanket.
Okay. Okay. Put your on the left board. Left board. You fine? Yeah. Yes. Plastic. Oh, plastic.
And you have
What is the method of plastic? What is the method of plastic? Plastic? Plastic things.
plastic.
Plastic things fine. Huh? Plastic things.
Plastic.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes, plastic. Okay.
This is a plastic. This is the plastic pen. Plastic pen. Okay. Mm-hmm. Zari, sit down, please. Sit down. Zari, please. Rose cup. Uh-huh.
Rubber boots. Glass door. Wooden bench. Leather wallet. Cotton blanket.
Blanket. Uh-huh.
Paper bag.
Paper bag.
Iron mask.
An iron mask.
Rubber boots.
Rubber
Okay.
boots.
Shinoy, stand up, please. Say.
Bronze cup.
Bronze cup. Okay. Next. Luna.
Glass door.
Next students.
Leather wallet.
Uh-huh. Next students.
Cotton
Blanket. Blanket. Okay. The next.
paper bag.
Bag. Uh-huh. Next. Iron. Iron mask. Uh-huh.
Wooden bench.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Rubber cup.
Mm-hmm. Boots.
A bronze cup.
Uh-huh.
A glass door.
Door. Uh-huh. Wallet. Wallet. Uh-huh. Next. Uh-huh.
Rubber bag.
Mm-hmm.
Iron.
Mm-hmm. Next. Wooden bench. Wooden bench. 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 Uh-huh.
Rubber boots.
Okay. Okay. Very good. The next. Sing a song. Sing and song together.
What's made of glass? What's made of glass? What's made of glass? A window is made of glass. What's made of wood? What's made of wood? What's made of wood? A door is made of wood. What's made of paper? What's made of paper? What's made of paper? A balloon is made of paper. What's made of plastic? What's made of plastic? What's made of plastic? A pen is made of plastic. What's made of fabric? What's made of fabric? What's made of fabric? A t-shirt is made of fabric. What's made of metal? What's made of metal? What's made of metal? A paper is made of metal.
Okay. Okay, ask now. What's the made of bag?
Paper.
Paper. What's the made of? Okay, ask now.
Okay.
Ask. Who wants to use these words like this song? In 도시가 асуулт яах нь шүү дээ. Okay.
What's the made of blanket?
Answer the question.
Made of cotton. Blanket made of cotton.
Listen again.
What's made of glass? What's made of glass?
What's made of glass?
Door. A glass door.
Okay. What's made of paper? What's made of paper?
A bag is made of paper.
Bag is made of paper. What is made of leather?
A wallet is made of leather.
What is made of cotton?
A blanket is made of cotton.
Okay. What is made of wooden?
A bench made of
Wooden. What is made of rubber?
a boots made of rubber.
Okay. Next. Grammar and method. Look and study. Write on your notebook. Have you finished? It is made of chocolate. It is
Yes.
singular. It is singular. They are plural. If okay. Now, do you have a paper? Do you have paper?
Yes.
Who have a paper? Raise your paper. Who have paper? Who have paper? 흰 차스텝에 사이에 옥수는 찼을 때 깔아 그래? Paper. You should put it on blackboard and make sentences.
Made of.
Now come in, please. This chair, okay. Next, okay. This is good. Also stay. What's the right? Stand up. Is next. Come in. Okay, mat. Is mat. Okay, off. It is true.
Yes.
Chair is made of. Okay. Wood. Okay. The next sentences. Come here. Sit down, please. Was. Okay. Are. Made. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Of brick. It is true?
Yes.
Okay, it is true. This chair is made of wood. The walls are made of brick. Okay, this chair is the singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. The walls are
Plural.
plural. Okay. Right. Please write on your notebook, please. Okay. Now match. Match materials. Write on your notebook. Write on your notebook, please. Match. If you have finished, you should raise your hand, please. Are you finished? Okay, say please. Read please. Say please.
One is a wooden house.
One
One is a plastic bag.
plastic bag.
Two is a wooden house.
Wooden house. 3.
Three is a metal here.
Middle.
Metal here. Three,
4.
four is a wool jumper.
No.
Cotton shirt. 5.
Five is a silk here. 6 is a coffee shop. 7 is a brick house.
Cotton 무슨 배? cotton shirt. 4.
Brick house. 7 brick house. 7 is brick house. Good. And 9 is a China cat.
Okay. 자, first a brick house. Is it true?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now check please. 어떤 샤프하라 괜찮지만 check please. Okay. Plastic bag. China cup. Wooden house. Say please. Material. Cotton shorts. Silk cap. Wool jumper. Okay. Did you check?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Next. 자, listen and talk this. Find the 3 things in the classroom and talk there.
What are things made of? My desk is made of wood. The wood is smooth.
자, okay. Find the 3 things in the classroom and describe. ангиас одоо 3 зүйлийг одоо туршлагын тий. За, use a method and materials. Материалаа хэрэглэн тэгээ юуг хэрэглэн үү? Method гэж хэрэглэн. За. Find the 3 things and write and describe on your notebook. Book. Lisa, the hospital Lisa. Desk. What materials? This is materials. Wood. A desk. Say please. The desk is oh, okay. 2 desks. No, desks is are made of. Have you finished?
Almost.
A table is made of wood. A pen is made of plastic.
Finish.
Yes, that's it, please.
That door is made of wood and glass. This notebook is made of paper. This uniform is made of cotton.
Harvard değil mi? Harvard. Yeah. Say it, please.
My chair is made of plastic. My floor is made of wood. My door is made of wood.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
My book is made of paper. My pen is made of plastic. My desk is made of wood.
My pen is my book is. Okay. Good. Very good.
The windows are made of glass. This board is made of iron. The pencils are made of wood.
Good. Okay. Very good. Excellent.
Doors are made of wood. Mirror is made of glass. Fans are made of plastic.
Okay. Okay. 자, next. 자, 신호와 일해들 say it, please.
A book is
A book is
books are made of paper. Discs are made of wood.
good.
A door is made of glass.
Glass. Okay. Good. Very good. Very good. The next. The say it, please. A book is made of a paper. Is made of a glass. The next.
The door is made of wood. The pen is made of plastic.
Okay. The next.
The window is made of glass and wood. A table is made of wood and iron. A TV is made of plastic and glass.
Okay. The next.
My pen is made of plastic. My notebook is made of paper. My table is made of wood.
Okay. 자, 에코에스. 자, say please. 정답. 자, my.
My notebook is paper. My book is a
Book is no is made of book made of paper. Okay.
A door is made of wood. A desk is made of. I notice notebook is made of paper. A window is made of
Glass. Okay. Okay, now ask your partner, like this conversation. Whose bag is it? Okay. What's this? Whose bag is it? It is. Whose bag is it? It is. Whose? Benim. Tumor bag? Okay. What bag is made of? What bag is made of?
It's made of
Okay. Yuko.
it's made of cotton.
Cotton. Fabric. Yes. I like this. Like this. Da innskyggene oppute. Er dere huskene. Da walk-in fairs. Passer dere. Okay.
Made of
It is made of
It is my. What is the
What? What is your notebook made of?
Notebook is made of paper. What's your pencil made of?
His desk metal.
What is your
Metal. The desk is made of wood. Ask questions.
Pencil case PC.
What is
What
the
is
what
your
is this made of?
table made of?
Is made of.
My table is made of.
What is
My
your
table
bag
is
made of?
What's
My bag is made of. Okay.
my bag is made of.
Okay. Now choose one items in the classroom and write 3-4 sentences. 3-4 sentences. Okay? За ингээс нэг зүйлийг сонгож авчихад өөрөө дүрсэж ичих нэ тийм ээ. And